Good morning and welcome back. It's a beautiful day. I'm looking through the window and look what I'm seeing here. Some beautiful birds have taken over the lawn and the lovely, healthy plum tree. Look at this one here that is sitting on the bird feeder, enjoying every bit of the meal. Isn't nature beautiful? Isn't nature awesome? Isn't nature amazing? Isn't nature giving? When nature hits my soul, it feels okay and it definitely sets the tone for the day. Does it do the same for you? Let me know, please. Nature is one of the most beautiful things we can experience. Thanks for watching.